But Dubai is really safe. The government is taking care of everybody. So there's nothing to worry about. Yeah, there are situations that they have to, work on it, but they are doing it. They're trying their level best. But Dubai is really doing their best.
How many flights are cancelled out?
Definitely, they cannot risk anybody, any of us at stake, right? They can't put us on stake and come on, they cannot be like, okay, fine, we'll send the passengers. The Sheikh will never do that. The Prince and the King will make sure to protect the entire crowd there. So they're not going to put anybody in trouble. So the decision that they take, even cancelling flights, people, it might frustrate one or two, but apparently they're just doing that so they can protect us. So it's completely fine.
How are you feeling coming back to India?
I feel good, great actually. घर से दूर था, अब घर आ रहा हूँ, बहुत बढ़िया फीलिंग है।
क्या सिचुएशन है वहाँ पे, कैसे हालातों से आपको गुजरना पड़ रहा है?
वहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा बॉम्ब्स पड़ रहे हैं और आज सुबह ही एयरपोर्ट पे अटैक हुआ था 10:30 के आसपास। मल्टीपल वार्निंग्स आई थी।
सुबह एयरपोर्ट पे?
हाँ जी, T1 पे। और मल्टीपल वार्निंग्स आई थी कि अटैक्स हो जा रहे हैं, मिसाइल्स गिरी जा रही हैं। जब मैं एयरपोर्ट में था तब 2 अलर्ट्स आई थी और उसके अलावा भी काफ़ी दिन से ये अलर्ट्स आ रहे हैं। हमारे कॉलेज तक में अलर्ट्स आए थे। मैं बिट्स दुबई में जाता हूँ, वहाँ तक में अलर्ट्स आए थे। तो सिचुएशन मुश्किल है। फ्लाइट्स वहाँ पे काफ़ी कैंसिल हो रही है। आई थिंक दिस वाज माय 3rd or 4th फ्लाइट अटेम्प्ट दैट नीडेड टू बी बुक्ड एंड ओनली देन आई हैव गॉट आउट ऑफ द कंट्री। आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू बुक फॉर अ वीक, सो आई हैव माय फ्रेंड्स।
What do you do in Dubai and meeting your parents?
So I study engineering over there. I study in BITS Pilani, Dubai. और मैं माँ बाप से इसलिए मिलने आया हूँ क्योंकि उनको लगा था यहाँ वहाँ पे सिचुएशन बहुत अनसेफ है। वापस बुला लिया उन्होंने, तो अब जब पेपर होंगे वापस जाऊँगा। तब तक ऑनलाइन ट्रैवल वाज ओके। फ्लाइट मतलब ऑल द कस्टम्स वर नॉर्मल, जो नॉर्मली होता है वही हुआ था। एवरीथिंग was normal except for the fact that airport बहुत खाली था. I think there were only 3-4 flights flying at the time I was in the airport. मेरी line literally 5 मिनट में खत्म हो गई थी.
How is the help from embassy and the government side?
Oh, they are very helpful. They actually care about getting the citizens out. They were very responsive and they were trying to get us all out of the place as soon as possible.
Obviously, it feels good to be back. You are not constantly under a threat. Obviously, the threat was not to a residential area, but to certain locations which the Iran was targeting. But yeah, the government over there, they kept everyone safe, everyone alert about what is happening, what are the drones, the missiles, everything was kept in track and in check. Obviously, we were absolutely not stranded over there, but then definitely we wanted to come back to India so that we can be with our relatives, families who are there. We both are, like me and my wife, we both were staying there. And obviously my mom and my sisters, everyone was concerned over there.
So you
what's
work
happening
there or you went to?
Yeah, I work over there.
Okay, so how is the situation now? How you feel?
The situation was pretty tense even as we entered the airport to check in for SpiceJet. We definitely got the alert again that there is another attack which is possibly happening.
Yeah, yesterday also something happened.
Yes, so it happened in today morning, it happened today afternoon. Even though the Iranian president gave a statement that they will not attack the neighboring regions, but still they did that. I guess the IRGC does not follow the president's commands, but that's okay. Definitely feel good to come back and obviously अपना देश है भाई, तो मेरे को पता है कि यहाँ पे सेफ्टी इज द प्रायोरिटी ऑफ आवर गवर्नमेंट.